Hey folks, we all speak different languages around the world English, French, Chinese, and so on. But have you ever wondered what language a computer speaks? Unlike humans, computers don't understand words, sentences, or any human language. Instead, they rely on a fundamental system called binary language, which consists of only two digits, zeros and ones. Imagine you are in a world where everything is either on or off, just like a simple switch. Computers operate in a similar way, using just two numbers, 0 and 1. This system is called binary language. A bit, short for binary digit, is the smallest unit of data in a computer, representing either 0 or 1. Grouping 4 of these bits forms a nibble, and grouping 8 bits forms a byte. One byte can represent a character or a number. Just like we use the decimal system, which is base 10 for everyday numbers, computers use the binary system, which is base 2. In our daily life, we count using the decimal system, which has 10 digits 0 to 9. Each digit's value depends on its position multiplied by powers of 10. 325 can be represented as 3 times 10 to the power 2 plus 2 times 10 to the power 1 plus 5 times 10 to the power 0. Binary works the same way, but with only two digits, 0 and 1. Each position is a power of 2. So the binary number 1011 can be represented as 1 times 2 to the power 3 plus 0 times 2 to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0. So the binary number 1011 in decimal is 11. Computers store all kinds of data, letters, numbers, images, and videos as binary numbers. This is done using a system called ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII is like a translator between humans and computers. Every code on your keyboard has a corresponding ASCII number, which is then converted into binary. For example, if you type hello on your keyboard, your computer does not understand it as letters. Instead, it converts it into a series of zeros and ones. The letter H is represented as 1001000 in binary. Similarly, the letter E is 10000101. The letter L is 1001100, and the letter O is 1001111. So when you type hello, the computer actually reads it as the following sequence of zeros and ones. This binary system enables your computer to process and transfer data, whether it's typing a document, sending an email, or playing a video game. So why zeros and ones? The answer lies in electricity. Computers operate using electrical signals, and electricity has only two states. One, that is on, is when the electricity is flowing, and zero, that is off, when the electricity is not flowing. So the fundamental reason for why computers can't use the decimal system is due to physical limitations. At the heart of a computer, there are billions of transistors, tiny electronic switches that can turn on or off. These transistors form the building blocks of logic gates, which process all the computation inside a processor. When you type a letter or click a button, your computer translates your input into binary signals that travel through circuits and get processed by transistors. The combination of multiple transistors allows the computer to perform complex operations, including arithmetic calculations, decision making, and data storage. Understanding binary language is essential for anyone interested in IT and computer science. It's the fundamental of everything digital, from simple text messages to complex artificial intelligence. So next time you type on your keyboard, remember, your computer isn't reading the words, it's understanding zeros and ones.